Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the home screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is press and hold our finger on an empty space in the home screen. Then we will trigger this menu, and in the bottom left corner we have wallpaper and style, so let's go here. Then choose change wallpapers. Now we need to select our wallpaper. Of course we have several options. We have some featured wallpapers. We can use a photo from our gallery. We have some other categories. And in my case I'm gonna use a featured one, so let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And now over here we can select if you want to use it for lock screen or home screen or both. So if you want to use only for home screen, then you should untick the lock screen, and then we can press next. Over here we have this preview, and we can press done in the top right corner. And there we go. Now if you go back, we have a new wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.